Good day, viewers. Today, I will going to show to you how to simply create, edit, delete, add information of a data of a person using CSS Bootstrap MySQL database. First, if you don't have a sum panel, you need to download it into Google or wherever you are comfortable. So if you already download the sum, you will just start the Apache and MySQL so you can allow to build website offline on a local web server on your computer. And then enter the admin. This is the PHP padding where you can make a database and a table. We will make it later. Next is the Visual Studio Code. This is your code editor. If you don't have a Visual Studio Code, you can download it free on Google. So before I proceed to my code editor, I will make first a folder on my sump which located on drive C. So I will put my folder to htdocs. I will make a new folder here. Inside of htdocs, I will name it a CRUD. Inside of the CRUD, I will make another folder which I put my DB connection and my nav bar and my head. So I will make a folder here. I will name it include. And I will make again a folder which I put the nav PHP file and head PHP file. So, okay, we're going to start here in Visual Studio Code. So, you're going to open folder, the folder that you made in your Windows C. I will choose the include, which I put my DB connection here. So, I will make a new file, which I name it on db.php. Right. So here you will just put your connection. So I already have a input or the connection. I will just simply control copy and paste here. So that it will not make me it takes time to write it. So next is I will go into localhost and make a database. So my database here is name is college DB. College DB. Create. So I'll make a name of my table is students because the students will input the of my system. So I will just 6 columns. I will just make 6 columns. First, I will put the ID. ID. And this is a integer, and I will just put a 11, and it's auto increment and go. Next is first name here, and then this is varchar. I will just put a 30. Next is last name and varchar 30. Next is gender varchar and just 30. Next is email of a person. I will just varchar. So I will just go and put it 100. Next is the course of a private student, and this is a varchar. This is the course is the primary key of the ID, and save. I length. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Length of a course is 20 or 30. Save. So this is your table, and this is the my table. So that's it. That's my connection. Stay tuned for my next episode of my video, which is the index and the add, edit, delete. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Good day. So this is the continuation of my video. This is the part 2. So you will be here again in HT docs and make some, or you can open this is the connection that I make. So I will make another file which is index. So I will make this file. I will save this file to index.php. So here we go. So first you just and enter. So this is your doc HTML. So that our index will connect to the DB connection, we will make a connection here up of our and I will I will put a comment here so that you will know that I make here a MySQL connection to my connection, which is DB connection. So I will put here require once, or you can do it later. So so include, because we have a file so that which located our connection. So here we are going to put a connection to today, uh, to the folder which located the partial, which is the head. So I'll make, so you can later you can do it. So here you can delete it. Here you can make a class, and this is your container. So the PHP here, PHP, if we make a condition here, if empty alert message, next you make class again. Alert, alert, success, PHP echo alert message. Is the close. PHP. PHP. There you are. So you will make again here a class. So you will put is an info of a person or info slash div. You will make already a table here. Table class. Table. You will make a table here. Th scope equals call id slash th. So we'll make an draw copy. Sorry, I just edit this to name gender email course. And then put this action. So another window. Then the body. So we make a condition here. If um, if empty record while draw equals my SQLi fetch result. er. So this is for the table. er scope row PHP echo row ID th dd dash PHP echo row first name row last name so I will just copy this part so that this one and put a make a yes gender email and course so again we'll just connect the no, I have already um a so this one is add we need to make an add that PHP file and delete PHP file so that's it so I will run it on my So there's an error because line 31. Oh, 1. Line 31 too. Why? Oh, wait. Hmm. Let's 31 again. So we don't have a. So next, we will make a new file, which we will put a add file. We will save this, save, and add that PHP file. So this is my continuation of my video. So, so we will just so I already made a PHP file. So I will going to explain it to you. So good day, and this is the continuation of my simple system. So here I made already a add PHP file. So I will discuss it to you now. So here I put a connection to my folder include /db this one db.php so that I can use my connection or my db connection, and it needs a location. This is the location of my db connection in include folder, and there's a file there. The name of the file is db.php. So here, this is the this is my all of my information in my system. So, and here is the how to update my record in my system. I put a comment here so that you will know stu.query update, and the table name is the student, and set of the my table is first name, last name, gen gender, email, and course. Oh my god. And the course. So this is my query in insert new record in my table. So I just put dollar sign stu.query, insert into table name is student, and this is my first name, last name, gender, email, course, and the value is this is the value of that of my table. And then so the result of my SQL query con stu.query is the result is the header, the location of my index.php. And then I make a condition here. If the result is checked, there's a message. And here is the table itself and the result. If it's not, and I make a condition here. If else condition. If we set get ID and get ID, the result is one. And then I put a a connection or a comment here you will identify so that you will identify that I connect my add.php to db.php because that's our db connection or the our connection of our system. And then I make a so the partial head which I didn't make. I will make a partial head first. I will add a I will open a partial folder which is partial. So I will make a navigation. I will put here the navigation that PHP and the head of the folder that PHP. So I will make first a head of the head. and then the meta. You, I think I have that already to here in my partial. No, so now I will make a head.php and I will so that it will connect to my. I will make a connection here with Bootstrap and the style of my system. So meta, I mean meta, sure, slash 8. Next is meta that equiv or equivalent x qa compatible if ever they're compatible. I mean, I forgot here also. There's one line that I forgot. Just the meta name. Wait, meta name viewport. Then content with device initial scale L equals 1.0. And then we will proceed again here. Compatible content equals I equals edge. And then make a title of our system. I will just say a crude operations. And a link style sheet, href, so I will just type the link of the bootstrap. I have, oh no, So I don't have a connection. I will just type it. HTTPS takpat that bootstrapcdn.com slash bootstrap 4.3.1 CSS Bootstrap that mean that CSS and then file form div margin 0 auto then width is 40%. And the info is info height 20 px. Save. So that's my head.php. Wait, I will just see. Here I will be doing the navbar.php file, which I name it to nav.php. Short name of my navbar. So now I don't have an internet, so I already copied my bootstrap old navbar, which is this. So I will just paste it and I will explain it to you. So this format I just copied it on my bootstrap in the components or the navbar. So here, this is I make a class here, and this is the format of my navigation bar. So I just lighting the navbar light and the VG light, and then I put a class and a brand, yeah, and the location of my folder, which is crude or create, read, update, delete. And then I make a button here. I make a button and there's a toggler which this out this the you can copy just out you just copy this on the bootstrap, and I'll just um I'll just change other data which I am comfortable with. So we have the um here a number toggler, and then end of the button, and then I make again a class for my navbar nav or my ID, and then I make a class, and then nav item active, and then the link, and then the location of my folder, which is partial, and then end of the link, and then I put the link here, which is the folder name of the folder name of my system, and the add PHP file, which I need to add new information of my system. That's it. That's all. That's my navbar PHP file. So today, and this is the last part of my my system, which is I will make a file again. You can see I have still one file that's still untitled. So I will save this as my delete file, because as you can see I don't have a delete file for the code. So I will just make it a delete.php and save. So here, this is a easy code, because it's just a delete. No, this is just a delete code. So I'm so sorry. I need to video again, because my laptop get low. But so lastly, I said that I will make a delete the PHP file, and now I will continue it. So here I will just simply connect my delete file. So I will make a condition if empty, then $sign get the ID I know ID, and then close parent, and then I will just make a comment here that it needs a a I will just leave a comment here. I mean require connection. So this is the part that it requires connection. No, require connection. No. And then require ones include /db or my connection file. PHP. And then I will make a student ID. I mean $sign student ID equals get ID, and then query, delete query if you need to delete the information. Delete query. And then you will just say delete from uh, delete from students or the table name where ID equals dot students students ID dot and then result equals MySQLi query con delete query and then if result if result header and our location crude slash index dot php message. So that's it. So that's it. I already complete my files in a folder. I will just check if my system is working because I already have a file and the folder that needed. So I will be going here in Chrome. I will just simply type localhost and the folder name which is crude and the file index. So it's working. So if there's no list yet because I didn't input and I will just add new. I will add Lucia or Codera, gender female, email at yahoo.com, course engineering and submit. Oh, it's recorded already. So you can see it's working. I will see if it's working also here in my localhost. I'm so sorry, it's a little bit loading. Oh, see, As you can see, the number I input here. Here. Wait. You can see I input a check here. If I say I will edit my email. No, no. I say I will edit here. I mean, try to edit. If I will be a codera, I will just, if, whoa, it's already here. My email is already edited. And I will see if it's working in my local host. I will just refresh. Yes, there it is. My email is, I already edited my email. Next, if I were going to delete this form, or wait, there's an error, I think. So as you notice that there's a, when I delete the information, so the system will delete also. I need to figure out the code. I think, oh, there's an error. Did you see it? Did you see it? Did you see the error? Here. Did you see that? That's the error. Supposedly, it's question mark. Yes, you're right. And then I will save again. Oh, there's an error in line 7 in delete.php. Oh, students ID. Wait. Students ID. So there's a connection. There's a undefined variable here, which is student's ID. And I think it's just a student ID. I will just save this, then back again. So run again. What happened? Again, I will delete. Oh, earlier I have a problem with my delete button because my system will delete also. So I will try again today if it's working. So it's working already. So I will just add again. Mm, mail. Me. So here you are. I will just go here and there's an input. So I will just edit. I just edit the course, which is education. Submit. So as you can see, there's a message here. Record has been updated. So I will just delete this. So as you can see, there's a deleted successfully or the message here. And then I will just go to localhost if my is already deleted. So there's no. Yes, that's my system. Simple system using Bootstrap, CSS, MySQL, and PHP. Hopefully you would like it, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.